Hi my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all fine and safe at home. This is M. Tamilvanan, your physics teacher from Bharathasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today I am going to introduce some new topics. Electric lines of force. What is the electric lines of force? Electric lines of force is an imaginary line. Okay, so it may be curved or a straight line. Okay, so what is the definition? An electric lines of force is an imaginary straight or curved path along which a unit positive charge is supposed to move when the free to do so in an electric field. Okay, for example, this is my positive charge. So this charge will move in one direction. Okay, so these lines we can say what? Electric field lines. Yes. Next, electric field. If I take only one charge, the electric field lines due to a point charge. This is a point charge. If the charge Q is greater than or 0, okay, that time electric field move outwards. If the charge is a less than or 0, so that time the electric field lines will move inwards. Okay, this we can see that another one diagram. So here the arrow mark what denotes the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field, here inwards, here outwards. Yes. Next, if I take the 2 point charges, which means the pair charge or unlike charges. This is a positive charge, then this is my negative charge. Electric field move from positive charge to negative charge. This is the electric field lines due to unlike charges. Okay, here the field will create around the two charges. Suppose if I take same charge, it may be positive or negative and negative. Okay, so here what charges? Pair and equal or like charges. So positive charge, one more positive charge. Here the electric field lines will move like this. See, in this diagram the electric field lines is never intersect. We can say the electric field lines is never intersect. Yes. So here the electric field is produced around these two charges. So we can say, see here electric field lines around these two charges, but inside there is no electric field. Right. So next point, electric field lines due to uniform field. See, this is a two parallel plate, positive plate, negative plate. Here electric field lines is created in electric field. So here these lines are parallel. Okay, this is a uniform electric field. Okay, next, what are the properties of electric field lines? So properties of electric field lines. The first point, electric lines of force and imaginary lines. Second, the unit positive charge placed in that electric field tends to follow a path along the field lines if it is free to do so. Next, the electric field lines always start from positive charge and end at a negative charge. Already we saw the diagram. Okay, the electric field lines start positive and end at a negative charge. Next, the fourth point, the tangent to an electric field line at any point gives the direction of the electric field at that point. See, this is my electric field lines. It is considered this is a point on electric field lines. So here in this point, the electric field act in this direction. So tangent means we have to draw that 90 degree. Okay, so in this point, what? Electric field act in this direction. So that is our fourth point. The fifth point, electric lines of force can never cross each other or never intersect. Why? Because the two fields always never intersect. Suppose if I take two field, this is the one field and this is also another field. According to our fourth point, here in this point the field is acting this direction, another one field acting this direction, so the resultant electric field acting in a resultant direction. Okay, so the point charge is never move in two fields, so it will be what? It will be move only one direction. So from this the electric field lines is never intersect. Right, electric lines of force are closer, which means is crowded, where the electric field is stronger, and the lines spread out where the electric field is weaker. See, this is the one charge. Here the number of lines is more, which means the magnitude of charge is greater. Now I take the another one charge. Here the q, small q is a small magnitude, that's why the magnetic lines is very lesser. So here the number of lines is crowded. Here what is the meaning? So field is greater. Here number of lines is lesser, so field is less. So another one point, the electric field lines of force are perpendicular to the surface of the positively or negatively charged body. So this is one charged body, electric field lines always move perpendicular to the surface. So let us take this is one charged plate, so electric field lines it will be moved perpendicular to that place. So these are the properties of electric field lines. Okay, so these electric field lines we can see by small demonstration, but that demonstration for that magnetic field lines, almost the properties of magnetic field lines and the electric field lines are same. Electric field lines is an imaginary line. That electric field lines is created by using the electric field due to positive charge and negative charge. That electric field lines start from positive charge to negative charge, but that charge we cannot see. So by using this experiment we can see the magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines and electric field lines almost same, that's why I can do this experiment. This is iron fillings and this is a board magnet. In this board magnet we have two poles, one is north pole and another one is a south pole. The north pole act as positive charge and south pole act as negative charge. Yes, now this iron fillings I keep on this magnet, so that's why your magnetic field is produced and magnetic lines it will be produced. See my dear children, here magnetic lines are produced, the iron fillings are arranged, magnetic lines. See here the iron fillings are very close together, here the iron fillings are very less, and it will move from here to here, it makes one particular direction. So this direction is nothing but electric field. So electric field is present one particular region only, it's not here. Okay, so this is this is a magnetic field lines like electric field lines. Okay, this magnetic field is produced due to board magnet. The electric field lines is produced due to charges. Okay, almost this magnetic field lines and electric field lines both are equal properties. Applications of electrostatic. Electrostatic force, you know, electrostatic force is nothing but it's Coulomb force. Positive charge repel to each other, negative repel to each other, and positive negative attract, which means unlike charges attract to each other, like charges repel to each other. By this as principle we have many applications. So this application we are using daily life. So the first one, the paint spraying. This paint spraying we are using what formula or what force, which means electrostatic force. By this force we can use, so this is our card body, we applying the negative charge, so the body is acting as a negative charge. So this is our gun. Okay, so from this the paint is sprayed, so that paint is act as a positive charge. Here positive and negatives are attracted. Okay, so this is easy method, and the same principle used one more application, that is a powder coating. Here also, so this is a gun, so here they fill the powders, that powders act as positive, and here we have to apply that negatives. Okay, so which means earthing. Okay, so positive and negative will be attracted. Okay, and the next applications is a Xerox machine. So we are well known about that this Xerox machine. So we are taking Xerox or copy. Okay, so how these Xerox machines are working? By using electrostatic force. See, this is our book. This is a book. We can scan by using the bright light scans across the entered documents. Okay, so light it will be reflect after scanning, so that reflected light it fall on that belt, so that is nothing but photo conductor. We have cylindrical dome, this here two charges present, positive and negative, where the light is falling or reflecting on the photoconductor, in that place the charges are removed. So here the negative charges are removed, remaining space is a letters occupied. So that letter it will be moved in a or near the toner. So toner is nothing but a what? That is black color or filled with some of ink. Okay, so the toner particles make an inked image on that belt. So it will be attracted towards the negative. So here toner particle is positive charge, and the letters is occupied that negative, positive negative will be attracted. So then we will get that Xerox paper, and the letters will come. For example, A, B, C, D is a reflected letters, so it will be attracted, and we get a what? Duplicate copy out. So these are applications of electrostatic force. Dear parents, study material, question bank, PowerPoint presentation, question for self-assessment test are attached in this description. Thank you.